Hello dear students, in this lecture we will see another example of eliminating unit productions. So the example has some productions like S gives AB, A gives A, B gives small capital C or B, C gives D, D gives E and E gives A. So first of all identify which are unit productions. So B gives capital C gives capital D and capital D gives capital E are the unit productions. Now consider D gives E. So D gives E and E gives a small a, that means we can write D gives small a. C gives, consider capital C gives capital D, but D gives E and E gives A, that means we can say C gives A. The another unit production is B gives capital C, but we can say B gives A because C gives D, D gives E and E is giving us small a. So ultimately B is also producing small a. So here the new production rules are S gives capital AB, capital A gives A, capital B produces A and B, capital C produces A, capital D is producing A and capital E is also producing small a. Now we can remove all the useless symbols like or those symbols which are not reachable from starting state or starting symbol. Since C, D, E are not reachable from starting symbol, it can be excluded because starting symbol we are reaching to A and B only. Capital A is producing small a and capital B is producing either small a or small b. So ultimately we are not reaching to C, capital C or D or E in any of the ways. So final production rules after unit productions are S gives capital AB, A gives small a and B gives A and B. These three productions do not contain any unit productions. So here all the unit productions are removed and all the useless symbols are also removed. Thanks for listening.